shared blessings of unity. In a village between rolling hills and cozy cottages lived a chirpy little sparrow named Sunny. Sunny had bright yellow feathers and a heart full of curiosity. One sunny day, as he perched on the branch of an old oak tree, he noticed a wise old owl named Oliver hooting nearby. Oliver, with his large round eyes, had seen many seasons come and go. His perch was on the highest branch, where the moonlight touched the leaves at night. Intrigued by the owl's wisdom, Sunny fluttered down to strike up a conversation. "Hello, Mr. Owl. Why do you sit up here all day and night?" chirped Sunny. Oliver blinked slowly and replied, "I observe the world, young one. Each creature has its purpose. What brings you to my humble abode?" Sunny puffed out his chest proudly. "I want to know the secret of a happy life. What's the key to success and joy?" The wise old owl chuckled softly. "Ah, the key you seek is simple yet profound. It lies in the art of gratitude. The more you appreciate what you have, the richer your life becomes." Sunny tilted his head. "Gratitude? What's that?" Oliver smiled. "Gratitude is being thankful for the simple joys, the warmth of the sun, the gentle rustle of leaves, and the company of friends. Look around, and you'll find countless reasons to be grateful." Eager to learn, Sunny decided to embark on a journey through the village to discover the meaning of gratitude. Along the way, he met a wise old tortoise named Toby, who had seen many seasons pass. Toby, with his slow and deliberate movements, listened to Sunny's question. "Gratitude, my feathered friend, is like the slow growth of a tree. It takes time to understand its value." Sunny hopped from one foot to the other. "But how can I learn it quickly?" Toby chuckled. "You must experience it firsthand. Help others, appreciate the beauty of nature, and count your blessings each day. Soon, gratitude will become a part of you." Taking Toby's advice to heart, Sunny decided to start small. He helped a ladybug carry her groceries, sang a cheerful tune to the flowers, and even shared his worms with a hungry squirrel. With each act of kindness, Sunny felt a warm glow inside. One day, as Sunny perched on a fence, he noticed a gloomy gray cloud floating above the village. It seemed to be raining sadness upon the inhabitants. Curious, Sunny flew up to the cloud and discovered a sad-faced raindrop named Raina. "Why are you so sad?" chirped Sunny. Raina sighed. "I carry the burdens of ungrateful hearts. People forget to appreciate the sunshine and complain about the rain. It makes me feel heavy and sad." Determined to bring joy to Raina, Sunny decided to teach the villagers the importance of gratitude. He gathered all the animals in the village and organized a meeting under the wise old oak tree. Sunny addressed the crowd. "Dear friends, let us all practice gratitude. It's the key to a happy and fulfilled life. Each of you has something to be thankful for. Let's share our blessings and make Raina's tears turn into tears of joy." Inspired by Sunny's words, the villagers started expressing their gratitude. The flowers thanked the sun for their warmth, the trees thanked the rain for nourishing their roots, and the animals thanked each other for the companionship. As gratitude spread through the village, the gloomy cloud began to transform. The gray turned into shades of pink, orange, and yellow. Raina's sad face turned into a bright smile, and she started showering the village with drops of joy. Sunny, perched on a branch, felt a deep sense of fulfillment. Oliver, the wise old owl, appeared and nodded approvingly. You have learned the true meaning of gratitude, young one. Remember, a heart full of gratitude is a heart full of happiness. From that day forward, the village flourished with joy and contentment. The lesson of gratitude, taught by the little sparrow Sunny, became a cherished tradition passed down through generations. And so, in the heart of the village, under the wise old oak tree, Sunny continued to spread the message of gratitude, reminding everyone that the key to a happy life was to be thankful for the simple joys that surrounded them. In the heart of the lively village, under the shade of the wise old oak tree, the story of Sunny and the lesson of gratitude became legendary. Families passed down the tale from one generation to the next, and the little sparrow's cheerful yellow feathers became a symbol of joy and thankfulness. One day, as the village prepared for its annual harvest festival, the air buzzed with excitement. The aroma of freshly baked pies and the sound of laughter filled the air. Sunny, now a respected elder in the village, noticed a somber-faced mouse named Milo sitting alone near the festival grounds. Curious, Sunny hopped over and greeted Milo. "Why the long face, my friend? This is a day of celebration." Milo sighed. "I've been working hard to gather food for the winter, but it feels like no one appreciates my efforts. I'm tired, and it seems like my work goes unnoticed." Sunny nodded understandingly. "Ah, Milo, the key to a happy life is gratitude. Let me show you how to share your blessings and find joy in the simple things." Together, they approached the festival crowd. Sunny spoke to the villagers. "Friends, let us not only celebrate the harvest, but also appreciate the hard work of our friend Milo. He toils tirelessly to ensure we have enough food for the winter. Let's express our gratitude to him." The villagers, inspired by Sunny's words, gathered around Milo. They patted him on the back, thanked him for his efforts, and even shared some of their festival treats with him. Milo's eyes sparkled with surprise and gratitude. As the day unfolded, the festival continued with newfound warmth and camaraderie. The villagers danced, sang, and shared stories under the twinkling stars. Sunny, perched on a branch, felt a deep sense of satisfaction, knowing that the lesson of gratitude continued to spread. In the days that followed, the once somber mouse, Milo, found a renewed sense of purpose. Filled with gratitude for the support of his fellow villagers, he became even more dedicated to his work. The fields flourished with bountiful crops, and the entire village thrived. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the village, Sunny gathered the animals once again beneath the wise old oak tree. A young rabbit named Rosie approached him with a curious expression. "Sunny," she asked, "how did you become so wise? What's the secret to spreading joy and gratitude?" Sunny chuckled. "The secret, my dear Rosie, is in understanding the interconnectedness of all living things. When we appreciate each other's efforts and express gratitude, we create a harmonious and joyful community." Inspired by Sunny's words, Rosie decided to carry the message of gratitude to neighboring villages. She traveled far and wide, sharing the tale of Sunny and the importance of thankfulness. In her wake, other villages embraced the lesson, and the spirit of gratitude spread like ripples in a pond. And so, the village under the wise old oak tree continued to thrive, not just during festivals but every day, as the animals, big and small, remembered the lesson of Sunny and embraced the true meaning of gratitude in their hearts. The cheerful chirping of Sunny, the little sparrow, echoed through the village, a reminder that a grateful heart is a joyful heart. Under the resilient branches of the wise old oak tree, the village thrived in the embrace of gratitude. However, as seasons changed and autumn leaves fell, a sense of restlessness filled the air. The animals sensed that something was amiss, and Sunny, ever vigilant, noticed a group of disgruntled crows cawing in a corner. Approaching them cautiously, Sunny inquired, "What troubles you, my feathered friends? Why do you caw with such discontent?" One of the crows, named Cody, spoke up, "Sunny, we feel left out. While the village celebrates and expresses gratitude, the skies remain silent. No one thanks us for the wind that carries the seeds or the rain that nourishes the fields. We feel unappreciated." Understanding their perspective, Sunny gathered the animals once again beneath the wise old oak tree. He addressed the assembly, "Friends, it seems we've overlooked our airborne companions. The crows play a vital role in the cycle of nature. Let us express our gratitude for the wind, the rain, and the unseen blessings they bring." The villagers, realizing the oversight, extended their thanks to the crows. They acknowledged the importance of the winds that carried pollen, the rain that brought life to the soil, and the unseen services the crows provided to nature. As gratitude filled the skies, the crows cawed with joy, their feathers glistening in the sunlight. The atmosphere lightened, and a newfound harmony enveloped the village. Emboldened by this experience, Sunny decided to explore beyond the village borders. He embarked on a journey to the neighboring forest, where he encountered a solitary deer named Daisy. Daisy's eyes revealed a deep sadness, and Sunny, ever the empathetic sparrow, inquired about her troubles. Daisy sighed, "Sunny, the forest is vast and beautiful, yet I feel alone. The other animals keep to themselves, and we seldom come together to share the wonders of our home. It feels like a lonely symphony without harmony." Understanding the need for connection, Sunny invited Daisy to join him in spreading the message of gratitude. Together, they traversed the forest, encouraging the animals to express thanks for the shelter of the trees, the abundance of food, and the beauty of the streams. Gradually, the forest transformed. The once isolated animals began to appreciate the interconnectedness of their lives. Squirrels chattered with birds, and rabbits hopped alongside deer. The forest, once a collection of solitary existences, became a vibrant community. Returning to the village with Daisy by his side, Sunny shared the tale of the transformed forest. The animals, inspired by the sparrow's wisdom, welcomed Daisy with open arms, and the village and forest, now united, thrived in a shared spirit of gratitude. As the seasons continued to cycle, the village and the forest became a shining example of interconnectedness, where gratitude flowed not only within but also between communities. Under the wise old oak tree, Sunny continued to impart his lessons, reminding everyone that true happiness blossoms when we appreciate the contributions of every being, whether on land or in the skies. And so, the tale of the little sparrow and the grateful village expanded its wings, touching the hearts of all who heard it.